Mais Calambe va vite devant les milliers, le salve. Piché la bla la gueule, tapoter. Le sale réputation. Le continuer par les familles. Jovinson, Jovinson, Pierre is my last name. I'm driving a Cadillac Escalade 2023. It's a $1 million house. It's easy in America with IRS to deal with that. My wife driving a car in a Zoradi. You see this man Zoradi inside? You see my daughter driving a Honda Accord. I let the plate showing up. You know this Honda Accord is for $25,000. I got money. Okay, I pay you because you are police. You work for me.
Are you done or?
No, I'm not done. Let me finish my frustration.
Well, this isn't frustration. All this is you telling.
I want you to arrest me so I can make 50,000.